Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create smooth match and move slide transitions in Canva. This effect lets your elements glide from one slide to the next, creating a polished, seamless animation that feels like a single continuous scene. It's perfect for modern presentations, social posts, or quick video explainers, and you can do it right inside the Canva app. This technique is especially useful if you're building branded content or storytelling visuals that need to look professional without advanced software. First, open the Canva app on your device. Tap Create a Design, then choose Presentation. This gives you a widescreen canvas that's ideal for slides and exports nicely as a video. You can start from a blank presentation or pick a template if you want a head start on styling. Templates can save a lot of time, especially if you're creating multiple slides with consistent colors, fonts, and layouts. Now add your slides. Create at least 2 slides with similar elements you want to animate, like a circle, a photo, or a text box. A helpful tip is to design your first slide, then duplicate it so the elements are identical. On the second slide, move or resize those same elements to where you want them to end up. Match and move works best when Canva can clearly recognize the same item across slides, so keep the elements consistent in type, color, and general size. Small adjustments give the smoothest results. Huge changes can feel jumpy. If you're creating a storyline or a product highlight, even subtle movements can make your video feel dynamic and engaging. Next, select the slide transition. Tap the slide thumbnail in the panel, then tap Transition. Scroll through the options and choose Match and Move. Canva will automatically map where your elements start on one slide and end on the next, creating that fluid motion for you. This automation saves time and removes the need for manual keyframing like in professional video editors. Adjust the transition settings to refine the feel. If direction is available, pick up down, left, or right to nudge the overall flow. This is great for guiding the viewer's eye. Set the duration between about 1.5 and 1 second for a smooth, professional pace. Shorter feels snappier, longer is more cinematic. Choose what matches your content and audience. Many creators use a slightly longer duration for storytelling slides and a faster pace for promotional videos. Preview the animation by tapping play in the top right. Watch how your elements move between slides. If something looks off, it usually means an element changed too much or isn't the same item across slides. Go back and align positions or sizes, then preview again until it feels natural. Reviewing your animation step by step helps you avoid visual distractions and keeps your transitions feeling intentional and polished. If you want the same transition across your whole deck, tap Apply to all slides. If not, you can leave some slides with different transitions or none at all for pacing variety. Mixing transition styles strategically can help maintain viewer attention, especially in longer videos or presentations. When you're ready, tap Share, then Download. Choose MP4 to export your animated presentation as a video, or present directly inside Canva for live delivery. Exporting as MP4 is perfect for social media, YouTube intros, or quick explainers that need seamless movement. That's it. Clean, smooth match and move transitions with just a few taps. This simple technique can instantly make your content feel polished and professionally animated, even if you're creating everything from your phone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips, animation tricks, and easy design tutorials. Let me know in the comments what effect you want to learn next, and I'll create a step-by-step guide for you. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.